In today's video, we're going to talk about 10 simple and easy tips to create a budget and save money. Budgeting can be intimidating, but it's an essential skill for managing your finances and achieving your financial goals. So, let's get started. Step 1. Know your income and expenses. The first step to creating a budget is to know your income and expenses. Make a list of all your income sources and expenses, including bills, groceries, transportation, and entertainment. Step 2. Set financial goals. The next step is to set financial goals for yourself. This can be anything from paying off debt to saving for a down payment on a house. Having clear goals will help you stay motivated and focused. Step 3. Track your spending. Tracking your spending is crucial for creating a successful budget. Use a spreadsheet or budgeting app to keep track of your expenses and see where your money is going. Step 4. Create a realistic budget based on your income and expenses. Create a realistic budget that aligns with your financial goals. Make sure to include a category for savings, even if it's just a small amount. Step 5. Cut unnecessary expenses. Look for areas where you can cut back on unnecessary expenses. This could be anything from canceling subscriptions to eating out less often. Step 6. Use cash instead of credit cards. Using cash instead of credit cards can help you stay within your budget and avoid overspending. Try using the envelope system, where you put cash in envelopes for different categories of expenses. Step 7. Shop around for deals. When shopping for groceries or other essentials, shop around for deals and use coupons to save money. Buying in bulk can also be a great way to save money in the long run. Step 8. Automate your savings. Automate your savings by setting up a recurring transfer from your checking account to your savings account. This way, you won't forget to save money each month. Step 9. Review your budget regularly. Review your budget regularly to make sure you're staying on track and making progress toward your financial goals. Adjust your budget as needed to reflect changes in your income or expenses. Step 10. Celebrate your progress. Finally, celebrate your progress and achievements along the way. Whether it's paying off debt or reaching a savings milestone, take time to acknowledge your hard work and success. Outro. That's it for today's video on 10 simple and easy tips to create a budget and save money. Remember, budgeting doesn't have to be complicated or stressful. By following these simple tips, you can take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.